In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can set up a sleep timer on your Audiomack on mobile phone. So it's very simple and easy to do this. So you can see on your screen here at the top corner, which is your right, tap on the setting button here. This is going to help you stop playing music on Audiomack after some time. So you can see sleep timer here under the playback autoplay. So let's tap on that. It's a premium feature, so you need to watch an ad to unlock that. So let's do that. Good. So after watching your ad, you get this option. So now let's try to set up a sleep timer. So let's say I want my music to play for maybe I'm sleeping, so maybe in 2 hours time I'll be asleep, or 1 hour time I'll be asleep. So the music should play for like 1 hour. After the 1 hour, it's going to turn off automatically, something like that. So now I set the timer and I'm good to go. You can see I've set up the sleep timer, so I can come back here and play any music. After 1 hour from this time, it should turn off. That's how the sleep timer works. So maybe if you'll be sleeping and you don't want the music to be playing whilst you are asleep, there's something you can do. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.